Does your kids' playroom ever look like this? Welcome to my channel, guys. It's Holly. If it's your first time watching, welcome to our community. We'd love for you to join us by clicking the subscribe button below. As you can see, my toddler's playroom is very messy and it's just time to get it cleaned up. So in today's video, I'm sharing with you a few of the organization and cleaning tips that I use to get my kids' playroom back in order. The first thing I do is basically start putting things together and categorizing them. So I will take up all of those large items and place them in the other room like I did here. I just pulled them all out of the playroom and placed them in my living room to move them out of the way, and my kids just continued to play as I was cleaning and organizing the room for them. Once everything back is out of the way, it just looks a little less overwhelming, and I just begin to put things into smaller groups and pick up and sort through the items using bins, boxes, and shelves. So that's my second tip, is finding a storage system to put in place, and in my case, using bins, boxes, and shelves. So I took an old diaper box that I had on hand and began to go through and pick and sort through some of the toy items. And this box, guys, actually became a purge box. So I was finding all of those used, broken toys that they had that I was going to be moving along out of our house. And this included like little toys that they'd get from restaurants and things like that that I wanted them to enjoy and play with, but it was just time to go ahead and either toss them or find a new home for them. And in this case, everything in this box went into the trash bin. So once I did all that, I apologize, guys, I wasn't able to find the clips I did of me sorting everything, but you will begin to see that I put everything in boxes. The kitchen there, I had all the foods in the food box, and little small stacks of things from cars. Once again, all the trash stuff that I had put together. I have another little pile of like balls, and then I begin to use buckets and containers to put their different toys in. And so, as I mentioned, it makes it a lot less overwhelming as you're going through and sorting things when you have the system in place. So once you have everything together, I put the bins and just kind of line them along the wall and put the purple bins back into the shelf and left everything together. After I got everything cleaned up, you can see how organized it was. And guys, I have to let you know that another thing that I like to do when I'm cleaning is teaching my kids the system. Believe it or not, my 4.5-year-old can actually start with a cluttered room, as you saw in the beginning, and bring it to this level all on her own. And I would not have known it unless I gave her an opportunity. You'd be so surprised at what kids can do. And my last tip would be is to find a maintenance system that works for you. And so, when are you going to clean? We usually go in and clean every late afternoon before dinner just to have it done. And that is our system. Try to clean up a little bit every day. And it doesn't always get this perfect, but it gives us a fresh start each day. And so this is the end result of what the room looked like once it was all put together. We were really pleased with the space and everything that was in there. And I hope you're able to walk away with some of the tips that I use to organize their space. Thanks so much for watching, guys.